Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today our question is square root of 39 plus square root of 3 all over square root of 12 whole to the power 7. So we have to simplify this problem. Now starting our solution. So we have to suppose here that let x is equal to square root of 39 plus square root of 3 all over square root of 12. Let us suppose x is equal to this one, but here we have power 7, so here we have to find the value of x to the power 7. Now starting our solution here. So first of all, x is equal to this 39 can be factorized like 3 times 13 square root plus square root of 3 all over, here we have that 4 times 3 is 12 square root. Now square root of 3 times square root of 13 plus square root of 3 all over, here we have square root of 4 times square root of 3. So x is equal to, if we take square root of 3 is common, so outside the bracket, then we get into parenthesis that square root of 13 plus 1 all over, here we have square root of 4, it is equal to 2, and times square root of 3. Now this square root of 3 can be cancelled out with square root of 3. So we have square root of 13 plus 1 over 2. Now here x is equal to square root of 13 plus 1 divided by 2. So let's say it is our equation 1. Now if we just multiply 2 on both hand side, then we get 2 times x is equal to 2 times square root of 13 plus 1 over 2, cancelling this 2 with 2, then we have 2 times x is equal to square root of 13 plus 1. Now shifting this one, then we get 2x minus 1 is equal to square root of 13. Here if we take squared on both hand side, 2x minus 1 whole squared is equal to square root of 13 whole squared. So on left hand side we can use algebraic formula, which is a minus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b. Now here we have 2x whole squared plus 1 squared minus 2 times 2x times 1, which is equal to, this square is cancelled out with square root, we get 13. Now here this 2x whole squared is equal to 4x squared, and here we get 2 times 2 is 4, so minus 4x. This plus 1 square, if we just shifting this 1 to our right hand side, then we get 13 minus 1. So here by taking 4 is common, then we have x squared minus 4, x squared minus x, sorry, here x squared minus x is equal to 13 minus 1 is 12. So now if we dividing 4 on both hand side, so cancelling 4 with 4, here we get 3, then x squared minus x is equal to 3. So our next step will be, here we have x squared minus x is equal to 3, but if we just shift this minus x to our right hand side, then we get x squared is equal to 3 plus x. So let's say it is our equation number 2, the value of x squared. Now we are going to again taking squared on both hand side, so here it is plus x whole squared, then we have x squared whole squared, then we get 2 times 2 is 4, so x to the power 4 is equal to, here we use a plus b whole squared, so a plus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b. So we get here 3 squared plus x squared plus 2 times 3 times x, then x to the power 4 is equal to 9 plus x squared plus 6x. Now here we have the value of x squared from equation 2, which is equal to 3 plus x. So putting here x to the power 4, 9 plus the value of x squared is 3 plus x plus 6x. So we have x to the power 4 is equal to 6x plus x is 7x and plus 9 plus 3 is 12. So we have 7x plus 12. Let's say it is the value of x to the power 4 and it is equation number 3. Now here we have to take squared on both hand side. 7x plus 12 whole squared. So x to the power 8 is equal to 7x whole squared plus 12 squared plus 2 times 7x times 12. Here x to the power 8 is equal to 49x squared plus 12 squared is 144 plus here we get 12 times 2 is 24. 24 times 7 is 168. 168x. Now x to the power 8, here 49 times this x squared, as it is equal to from equation 2, it is equal to 3 plus x. So plus 144 plus 168x. So x to the power 8 is equal to, here 49 multiplied by 3, then we get 147 plus 49x plus 144 plus 168x. Now x to the power 8, here 49x plus 168x, so it is equal to 217, and 147 and 144 we have 291 plus 217x. So now here x to the power 8 is equal to 291 plus 217x. Now if we divide x on both hand side, so here we get, if we just cancel out x with this x, then we get x to the power 7. So x to the power 7 is equal to 291 over x plus 217, here x over x, cancelling x with x, so we get the value of x to the power 7, it is equal to 291 over x plus 217. Now so the value of x to the power 7 is equal to 217 plus 291 times 1 over x. Now here we are going to just recall our equation 1. So our equation 1 is given by, that is square root of, here x is equal to square root of 13 plus 1 all over 2. So recall this equation here. So recalling our equation 1, that is x is equal to square root of 13 plus 1 over, that is 2 over 2. So here if we just take reciprocal, so we get here the value, here denominator is 1, so 1 over x is equal to 2 divided by square root of 13 plus 1. Now as from this equation we see that x to the power 7 is equal to 217 plus 291 times 1 over x. So putting this value of 1 over x, which is 2 over square root of 13 plus 1. Now if we multiply and divide by square root of 13 minus 1, so we have here x to the power 7 is equal to 217 plus, here we get 291 times 2, so 291 times 2 multiplied by square root of 13 minus 1, and here we have square root of 13 whole squared and minus 1 squared, because a plus b times a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. Now we have that x to the power 7 is equal to 217 plus, here this 291 can also be written as 3 multiplied by 97, which is 291 times 2 square root of 13 minus 1 all over, cancelling square with square root, then we get 13 minus 1 So x to the power 7 is equal to 217 plus 3 times 2 is 6. So 6 times 97 times square root of 13 minus 1 all over it is 13 minus 1 is 12. Now 6 1 is 6, 6 to the 12, so we just write x to the power 7 is equal to 217 plus 97 multiplied by square root of 13, it is equal to 97 times square root of 13 and minus 97 multiplied by 1, so we get 97. Here we have 2. Now we know that denominator here it is 1. Now taking least common multiple, then we have 217 multiplied by 2, then we get 434, and here we have plus 97 times square root of 13 and minus 97. So 434 minus 97 we get 337 plus 97 times square root of 30 all over 2. So writing these two terms separately, then we have two fractions, which is x to the power 7 is equal to 337 over 2 plus 97 times square root of 13 over 2. So it is our final value of x that we have just find out, x to the power 7. So it is the simplified form of this problem. Now we can check our entire problem here step by step. So it is our final solution. So I hope you have understand all these steps one by one. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.